Singapore's GIC, one of the world's largest and most respected sovereign wealth funds, is growing cautious on private credit. As spreads tighten and valuations rise, GIC is raising its investment threshold, warning that the market hasn't been tested by a sustained downturn. Unlike many investors who treat credit in isolation, GIC integrates its credit investing with its broader private equity approach. In its latest portfolio update, GIC increased equity exposure to 51%, reduced fixed income to 26%, and maintained the US as a top investment destination. It also revealed that it is experimenting with AI agents in its investment decision making and is selectively investing in AI companies with strong competitive moats like Databricks. GIC is sending a very clear message that it is prioritizing resilience over yield and strategic caution over hype. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to this video. In this video, we wanted to share with you how Singapore's GIC is sounding an alarm in private credit. Once a darling of institutional portfolios, private credit is facing increased scrutiny, this time from one of the world's most sophisticated investors. GIC, which manages around 800 billion in assets, is raising the bar for future allocations to private credit because of shrinking spreads, elevated valuations, and lack of a true credit default cycle test. While private credit surged post-2008 as banks stepped back, the rush of capital has arguably outpaced the risk controls. GIC noted that many investors approach credit in isolation, ignoring the valuation and the fundamentals of the underlying equity. In contrast, GIC integrates private credit with its broader private equity lens, an important distinction in today's frothy environment. The fund has also quietly rebalanced its portfolio, increased its equity exposure, including private equity, to 51%, reduced the fixed income to 26%, and maintained US as its top investment destination. Interestingly, GIC is also experimenting with AI agents on its investment committee, assigning them roles like contrarian investor and optimistic investor. While still early days, it is a forward-thinking move that reflects how even the most traditional institutions are adapting to AI. The main takeaway from GIC's approach, it's not about chasing yields anymore. It's about navigating risk in an uncharted territory. That's all that we wanted to share with you in this video. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Do stay tuned in for more.